Hello, Paul is the best for UK here, and welcome to today's Game of Day video. Now, today's game on the Apple II is Mario Brothers. So, interestingly, it's from Atari Soft for the Apple II by Nintendo. So, yeah, okay, so it's not by Nintendo, but the original idea was from Nintendo, of course. And, yeah, so let's press space to start as it prompts us to do so. So, okay, you can see we've got Mario joystick and Luigi as the keyboard. Yeah, that's where we're going to start. I only want one player. So, yep, okay, so let's start the game. So, can't seem to move properly. Let's just check my settings. Right, let's just check my settings. No, still can't move properly. What's going on? Okay, let's reset it, and I'll try keyboard mode instead. I do have some technical problems with these Game of Day sometimes. Okay, so let's back to this screen again. So let's press space to start. Now, keyboard. So keyboard, yep, Mario keyboard now. C to modify the keyboard. So I want O P space. Okay, so let's try that. See if it's any better. Ah, that's better. So I'm not sure what was going on with the joystick there, but yeah, okay, so this is Mario, as you can see. So you can use his POW. Interestingly, on this version, it seems to run automatically until you press the direction key again. Right, okay, so let's have some of that. Get the turtles here. Oh shit. So this game, this version of the game is not the best, that's for sure. It's very slow, and a lot of flickering going on and stuff. Okay, so you can see that the pipes is a coin here. Okay, so Mario doesn't look quite right either. I'm not sure like these controls where it just automatically runs. See, I'm not pressing anything and he's automatically running to the right. You have to press right again to make him stop. That's not how Mario Brothers normally is. So yeah, you might remember Mario Brothers as a level on Super Mario Brothers 3 as well on the Nintendo NES and SNES. Like a sort of bonus edition, but this is it based on obviously the original arcade machine or whatever it was first on. And I seem to this is back in the time when Nintendo would actually allow the use of the Mario Brothers on different systems. Obviously they don't do that now. So yeah, okay. So yeah, this control method's making it cumbersome and difficult. Okay, let's try and get this one. There we go. So basically, you have to. Unlike the Super Mario Brothers games later on, you can't jump on the turtles or tortoises, whatever they are. You have to jump on the platform underneath them to knock them over. Then you can jump on them. So it's a bit different than Super Mario Brothers, as we all know and love. Watch out for this thing here. Yeah, to be honest, it's not really the best port of the game, to be honest. I mean, even the Spectrum version was better than this. The Spectrum version wasn't great either, but... Okay, so let's... So obviously this is a two-player game. Well, you can play two players on it simultaneously in co-op, which is quite innovative for the time. But yeah, that's Mario Brothers. The graphics are okay. They're not the best. The gameplay doesn't feel too brilliantly, to be honest. I don't think I like this idea with automatic run and then pressing the same letter again to stop him running. And it's a bit basic with the sort of graphics and the sound. So on that note, I'm going to give the Apple II version of Mario Brothers 6 out of 10. So not the best score, but not the worst score by all means. So I'd like to thank you for watching. Goodbye!